Good morning students. I am again present in front of you my YouTube channel Engineer Mathematics with competitive exam PGT, TGT and the 12th class UP, CBSE and ICSE board. I taught my previous video how to solve the partial differential equation in the form of the Lagrange and homogeneous partial differential equations, how to solve the different type of PI of the partial differential equation. In this series, I taught in this video application of partial differential equation. What is the application of the partial differential equation? And apply the daily life of use of the partial differential equation. So let's start in this video. First we discuss what is the partial differential equation application. First method in this topic, solution of the partial differential equation by the variable separation method. If you prepare the competitive exam and BTech, Polytechnic Diploma, BSc, then you see my YouTube channel and get your syllabus with solutions. And I request you, if you new viewer my YouTube channel, so please subscribe, likes and shares my channel. Let's start in this video. First method, solution of the partial differential equations by the variable separation method. We understand better in this method by the some most important examples. So you are solved in the previous classes normal differential equation variable separation methods. That methods we take the term of x with dx and term of y with dy. After then you integrate both sides, we get the solution of the differential equation. Similar process of this method, how to solve the partial differential equation by the method of variable separations. Let's start in these questions. Apply the method of the variable separation techniques to find the solution of the partial differential equation of 3ux plus 2uy equal to 0, where the symbol of ux is del u over del x and uy equal to del u over del y. Let's start the solution of this partial differential equation. Solution of this. Given the PDE, u 3ux plus 2uy equal to 0. We write the value of ux 3 del u over del x plus 2 del u over of del y, equation number first. Equal to 0, then equation number first. Write the partial differential equation in the form of 3ux plus 2uy equal to 3 del u over del x and del u over del y equal to 0. Let this equation equal to first. After then, the solution of a method of this question solved by now. Let dependent here, the dependent variable of u depend upon x and y. So you are getting the value of u in term of x and y. So you are let the value of u in term of x and y. Here the partial differentiation. So u depend upon the x and y. Here we let, now let u equal to x small x and y small of y. U depend upon x and y, and you now let u equal to x small x, y and small y, where you can see that x is the function of x only and y with the function of y only. Now let u equal to x into x, y into y, where x is the function of x only, it means x is the function of x only, it means x, capital X depend upon only small x, and y, capital Y depend upon small of y. So we are taking the partial differentiation of these functions. So this is the value of del u over del x, this is the value of del u over del y. Here u depend upon x and y, but x is depend only small x and y is depend upon only small x. Then you get the del u over del of x, partial derivative of u with respect to x. So y is constant and x is the function of x only. So del u over del x, then y equal to dx over of dx. You get the value of del u over del of x. Similar process, del u over del of y. So partial derivative of u with respect to y, but y is a function of y only, x is constant. So x dy over of dy. You get the value of del u over del x and del u over del y. This is the overall equation number of second. Putting the value of del u over del x and del u over del y in equation first, right? Putting the value of del u over del x and del u over del y in equation number first. The value of del u over del x, 3 of y dx over dx plus 2 of x dy over dy equal to 0. Now we let the variable separation method. Y is the function taking with the dy over dx and x is function taking dx over dy. Divide xy each term. Divide xy each term, then 3 over y cancel x dx over dx plus 2 over y dy over dy equal to 0. You are getting the value of 3 over x dx over dx plus 2 over y d over dy equal to 0. This is the variable separation complete. So x is the term, dx over dx, x is the term, and dy over dy, y is the term, variable. Now the next step, please make a note. Question is some most important for the exam purpose and some lengthy question of this unit, but very simple. Of this question. Value of this 3 upon x dx over dx equal to minus 2 upon y dy over dy. 3 upon x d over dx equal to the right hand side, then minus 2 over y d over dy. Let now the constant term of k and c. Any constant term of this, RHS of this the partial differential equation is the constant. So we taking the any constant term of k square, p square, any constant term you are saying let of this, and taking first and second. Value of first equal to third, first, second and third. So first and third. So 3 over x dx over dx equal to of k. So dx capital X and small capital X, d over x dx equal to value of this k over of dx. Now 1 by x or dx equal to k upon 3, value of this small x and dx. Integrating both sides, 1 upon x log of capital X equal to k upon 3 small of x plus constant term c1, and you are eliminate the log, so base of e, then x equal to e to the power k upon 3x plus of c1. This is the value of x in term of this. After then the second, we take second and third. Value of second minus 2 upon y equal to dy over dy, 2 upon y dy over dy equal to k, a variable separation, 1 upon y dy equal to minus ky2 into dy. Integrating both sides, similar process, 1 upon y is log of capital Y minus k upon 3y plus of c2. Then similar process is this, then y equal to e to the power minus k upon 3y plus of c2. This is the value of capital Y. After then, to find the value of x and y in term of, so now u equal to x and y. You let the solution of this partial differential equation u equal to x and y. So putting the value of x and y of this, then u equal to value of x e to the power k by 3 into x plus c1 into value of this e to the power minus k upon 3y plus of c2. After then, e to the power k is common, x upon 3 minus y upon 3, or e to the power c1 plus of c2. Then u equal to, now take the new constant term in place of this, a e to the power k x upon 3 minus y upon 3, where a equal to e to the power c1 plus of c2. So complete solution of this partial differential equation by this, u equal to a e to the power k x upon 3 minus y upon 2, x upon 3 value of this k upon 2, k upon 2, so value of this k by 2 and k by 2 and of k by 2. You have made the correction. This is the solution of the complete this partial differential equation. You are not given any initial condition, then the solution of this partial differential equation of this, if you are given the next some conditions, then you putting the condition, you get the value of constant term a and k in putting of this. This is the complete solution of this partial differential equation. Understand all the students easily, very simple of this variable separation method to solve the partial differential equation. That's all in this video. Next, some important question I am going to start the next video with the initial condition. How to apply the initial condition for the partial differential equation by the variable separation method. So please, if you new viewer my YouTube channel, subscribe, likes my channel. Thanks for watching the complete video.